Hello students, today we are going to discuss about similarities and difference between internal and international trade. Let us look at first the similarities between internal and international trade. First is the minimum of sacrifice. The participants in both trade have the same desire, that is to achieve maximum gain at minimum of sacrifice. The next is the satisfying the basic needs. It involves to find out what the customer wants and how to meet their needs. Next, the creation of goodwill. It is necessary in both the markets. For this, liberal guarantees and sale service to the customers on fair extensive scale has to be done. Research and development. It is necessary in both by research. New facts are found and in lights of these facts, products are improved. Next is the technique of marketing. That is, non-human factors such as the product, price, cost are similar to both the markets. Next is the greater comparative advantage. In both trades, the people specialize in producing the goods in which they have greater comparative advantage. Now we move on to the difference between internal and international trade. The first one is the immobility of factors of production. According to the classical writers, the labor and capital were perfectly mobile within the country and immobile between countries. The immobility is due to difference in language, social and political life, religion and traditions, etc. Next is the market knowledge. The people possesses a very good knowledge of the conditions of trade in their own country, but they cannot be so conversant with the conditions obtained in other countries. This lack of knowledge may hinder international trade. Next is the difference in law. The internal law is governed by the law of the land, but in international trade is conditioned by the law of exporting countries and importing countries. Trade and exchange controls. The trade between countries is not free as in the case of different regions of the same country. There are lot of trade restrictions like exchange controls, custom duties and tariff barriers will restrict free flow of international trade. Currency system differs. The different countries have different currency systems and conversion of one country currency into another country currency is difficult. Due to changes in the monetary policies, the price levels also vary, and this makes international trade much more difficult. But in the internal trade, there is no such complications as the monetary unit is the same. The last is the different transport cost. The trade between countries involves high transport cost as against internal trade within a country because of geographical distance between different countries. Now we have come to the end of the presentation. Thank you.